Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Welcome back to day 3 of learning a new English word daily. Can you guess today's word? Today's word comes from Latin root pungere, meaning to prick or to sting. In fact, another English word, pungent, has come from the same Latin root. The surprising thing is that our word of the day had once upon a time the same meaning as pungent, having a strong, sharp taste. And the word pungent once had the same meaning as our today's word. They swapped meanings as time passed. Can you guess the word of the day? Okay, one more fun fact. If we go further back in time, we find that the English words pugilist and pugnacious, these are also derived from the same a similar root. They share root with pungent and poignant. In fact, these four words, our today's word, pugilist, pugnacious, and the word pungent, they come from a Latin word, pugnus. The word pugnus, which gave birth to the word pungere, and the word pungere, which gave birth to pungent, and today's word. Pugilist means boxer, and pugnacious means aggressive. So, can you guess the word of the day? Our English word of the day is poignant. G is silent. Poignant. This word is used as an adjective. Its meaning is causing or having a very sharp feeling of sadness, evoking a keen sense of sadness and regret, having the power to affect the feelings and sympathies. Its synonyms are affecting, emotional, moving, touching, stirring, upsetting, heartbreaking. And antonyms are cold, detached, dispassionate, emotionless. Related word is poignancy. It is the noun form of poignant. Poignancy is the quality of evoking a keen sense of sadness and regret. Some example sentences. In this novel, the author writes a poignant story about love and loss. Grave of the Fireflies is the most beautifully poignant movie ever made about war. A single watch of this gem of a movie will simply decimate your heart. A romance that ends in tragedy is always poignant to experience. Another example, the poignant image of a child playing around her dead mother on a railway platform became a defining picture of migrant distress during the pandemic. Stay healthy, keep learning, best wishes. Okay, students, make sentences and write in comment box below. Thank you and have a nice day.